Hello students, now we are going to discuss converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is the statement of converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of one side equals to sum of the squares of other two sides, means if AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, then the angle opposite to the first side, means angle opposite to first side, this is 90. We need to prove here is 90. Okay, so first of all we can write here given part. Okay, what is the part of given here? So given part is given part is given is what? In right angle in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC square equals to AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. It is already given. Okay, so to prove, we need to prove angle P equals to 90 degree. Okay, so we need to construct here construction. Okay, so here we will have to construct a triangle PQR. Construct, draw, we can write here, draw triangle PQR such that AB equals to PQ, AB equals to PQ and BC equals to QR, and angle Q equals to 90. Okay, so we will have to congruent that both of the triangles. Okay, so here is, you can observe here, first thing is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square is already given, and here is the right angle triangle, so we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and after that we can replace some sides. Okay, so here, so we can write here proof. So in right angle triangle PQ and PQ and R, in right angle triangle PQ and R. Okay, so we can write here PR equals to PQ square plus QR square. This is come from Pythagoras theorem. Oh sorry, this is the little bit mistake here. Here is PY. Okay, Pythagoras. This is the PY THA, and this is just due to Pythagoras theorem. We can write here, but we have what? AB equals to, this is the equals to PQ, so AB equals to what? PQ, and BC equals to QR, and BC equals to QR. So we can write here PR square equals to, the in the place of PQ square we can write here AB square. Okay, so we can write here AB square. In the place of QR we can write BC, so BC square. Okay, and it is already given in the question that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This is already given, so you can see our LHS will be equal because RHS, the term of RHS will same. That's why we can write here AC square. We can write here AC square equals to PR square. So implies that AC equals to PR. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं अगर कोई स्क्वायर के इक्वल है तो क्या होगा, उसका स्क्वायर रूट भी इक्वल ही होगा. ठीक है, अब वी कैन congruent the triangle in triangle PQR and ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So we can write here AB equals to PQ, this is already given in the question, and BC equals to QR, this is already given in the questions. Due to construction. Okay, next, and here we can take, so AC equals to PR, we can write here from equation 1. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR from SSS congruency. Okay, so we know that if triangles are congruent, then all sides and angles are equal with the help of CPCT. Okay, so we can write here angle B equals to angle Q equals to 90 degree due to CPCT. Okay, so this is proof. Okay students, thank you.